Hello everyone, welcome back again to tutorial number 10 of our Android Retrofit application series. So in case you are just new to this video, so please be sure to watch the previous video so you will not get lost around. So for this project, going to create a recipe search application. If you are interested to learn how you can create a complete application based API, so you can place, and I would encourage you to watch the very first video so until the last video, so you can really have a complete knowledge on how you are going to use the Retrofit library to create the API application. So without saying too much, let's get back to the Android Studio. So this is where we left off from the previous video. So created the interface. So this will allow us to make using the query that we have provided in the constructor of the sys. So this will be sent to the online web server, which is basically it is the edamam.com, and then we are trying to retrieve the JSON from this server. So the next class that we did is the credentials, so where we stored the base URL, the string, so the types, and the app ID and the API key. So this is what we have done in the previous video. So if you are just a new viewer to this video, I would like to encourage you to watch the videos from this playlist. You will not get lost around from this tutorial. So in this tutorial, what we are going to do will be, we need to continue working on the search recipes because we have not yet complete. Okay, so this class will be sent to the server. So because we are passing it to this interface, to the retrofit call, passing it as a parameter, so this will be sent to the server. So what we are going to define in this class will be, since we are going to get the data from this object, from the JSON object, is we want to get the number of the result. We can also include this one into this to the search recipes class by declaring an integer, so private int from, in case that we'd like to also the value for this attribute, so we can also include it. So we can go and declare it here into the other will be the total count, so we just declare private int count, and after that we can if we go to the JSON object, since we are going to display the result of the recipes into an array, so you see here we have an array, of recipes, so it is displaying a multiple result based on the search query of the user. So for example, cow, so this should display the result of every recipes that has a cow recipes. So what we are going to do, so we can get the array of recipes, so we can okay, let me just get back here, and we can declare a private root model but with a generic array. So and we can name it get recipes, or we could just default recipes. And then after that we need to serialize because the name is not the same in the JSON object, so we need to actually, because it is an array, we can serialize it. We can make it okay. We can serialize it as hits. So hits. If you remember, we already defined the recipes here inside of this class. So this parent class, declare the class inside of this search recipes class. So and we need, and since we are going to return the value as array, so array of recipes, remember that it is an array. So an array that has an object. So we are going, since we are going to return array, we need to serialize it by hits. Then we can just write export. Okay. Other will be the same is because it has the same name to the JSON that we have. Okay, so we don't need to put a serialized name because they did. So the next thing we need to do, we need to create a getter to this field. So we need to select all. Now we are now generating the getters, and once we already done that, we can also create a public string to string, and this one will return our string recipes will be equal to recipes will be equal to full piece, and okay, so we have the recipes will be equal to food recipe and enter, and so we can name it from actually so we can just actually return the from. Okay, and the recipes, so the string store recipes from. Okay, plus empty and plus. Okay, let me just undo the process. So recipes. Okay, okay, so just what the recipes more. So you can just undo. Okay. Okay, so the time is so we can just ignore this one. Okay guys, we also need to add the method. So method to add string, and we need to return the actually we need to return a string. We need to close. Inside of this we can plug the recipes. The name will be recipes will be equal to plus recipes, then add actually we need to plus actually then we need to add, so we can put it in the new line, so we need to add 2 equals will be equal to plus get 2. This is just to print the result in the console, so we are going to log it plus a string, so total count, let's name it count will be equal to plus count and plus, okay, so now we are almost getting finished, so we remove it actually. So we are almost finished, getting close to finish this tutorial, guys. So if you learned something in this video, and if you do so, please consider subscribing to the channel to support my content. Also, if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button. If you have some question, write it in the comment, other people can see it also. And thanks for watching, guys. So I hope to see you in the next video. So bye for now.